Hey gang, and welcome back to the hallowed halls of Magic's monologue. Magic here, your curator of personal growth and the sage keeper of the keys to today's tome of wisdom and knowledge. This will be a quick one today, so today's video, how to end it with a clingy girlfriend, the honest truth. Let's begin the journey. He writes, how do I, male 18, end it with a sensitive girlfriend, 18 female? This girl is amazing. She's willing to do anything for me, like literally. Well, you are seemingly lucky on the surface, since that's the dream of just about every man. She's deeply in love with me and tells me all the time that she wants me to be the father of her kids and that she wants to marry me badly. Dude, I hope you're using protection. She literally only has eyes for me and heavily rejects and ignores a lot of guys. Heck, she gives men my number when they hit on her. Damn. Now, this is what it looks like when a woman has a burning desire for you. I'm talking about hot monkey love. Either that or she's psycho. If that's the case, I hope you don't have any pet bunny rabbits laying around near a butcher's knife. Just saying. She's really sensitive. To the point, I mean, a remark could make her cry, and she even cried when she broke a nail. Okay, this suddenly took a dark turn. Damn, I knew it was too good to be true. I just don't think I can be with her anymore. I feel emotionally exhausted because she's pretty needy, and it's just how she is. She needs a lot of attention and maintenance, and I just don't want to be that guy anymore. I just want to play video games and smoke weed. Maybe I sound a bit immature, but what can I say? Any thoughts? Okay, well, I have several thoughts. Let's begin with you. Slap to the back of the head. Dude, you should be finding out what your purpose is and focusing on your ambitions and laying the groundwork to kick ass in life. I get we all want to chill and play an occasional game and blow off steam. Hell, once in a blue moon, I still play Age of Empires. However, add weed to that, and you're on a highway to Loserville. Women should never be the center of your life. Instead, make your life such a model of focus, discipline, and success. Women want to make you theirs. Don't do it for the chicks. Do it because that's what men do. We build, we conquer, we carve out moments in history, and we leave our mark. Those guys are the selectors and not the selectees. As for her, I see a couple of issues. And as usual, this is my opinion of what I see, and not to be construed as any kind of diagnosis. I have to wonder if this girl has low self-worth or a fear of abandonment. Sadia Khan would probably say she has an anxious attachment style, which makes me wonder about her family. You didn't say, but is she a child of a parent with an addiction behavior issue, i.e. drugs or alcohol? Either way, it's not your job to save her. It seems she has a serious overinvestment in the relationship, and I suspect this is where that clinginess comes from. And I've been there. I understand how smothering it is and how it becomes that way really fast. One of the things that screams to me is called emotional dysregulation. You pointed out that her frequent crying over relatively minor stuff, like breaking a nail, may hint at difficulties with, I don't know, emotional control. In my life, I have observed when you have ED, no, not that kind of ED, guys. I'm talking about emotional dysregulation. Things like high sensitivity, depression, or generalized anxiety usually want to come to the party and join the relationship. Next thing you know, down the road, you're having a 3-way or 4-way, and not the fun kind, with the demons in her head. Look, no matter what you do, this is gonna be messy, and you're going to need to tap into that masculine energy and tell her something like this. I've realized that I'm not ready for the level of commitment that you deserve. It's not fair to keep this going when I can't meet those needs. You're an amazing person, but I want us both to be happy and fulfilled. Or you probably could go with, you bring so much to this relationship, but I've realized that I can't fully meet your needs because I'm at a point where I need to focus on myself. You deserve someone who can match your energy and give you the love and attention you need. Hey, it might work. Give it a shot. Be honest, but gentle. Acknowledge her feelings, but avoid false promises or leading her on. Do not ghost her. Show some testosterone and tell her the truth. Disappearing on her can amplify her demons and fear of abandonment. Encourage her personal growth. Suggest that she focus on her own strengths, aspirations, and self-care after the breakup, which may result in several quarts of rocky road. No matter how much she begs, do not take that one last I need closure BJ. Admittedly, it may be the best effort she'll ever make. I should know, I've said yes on more than one occasion to those. However, the answer is still no. Then walk away and block her, because I suspect she won't go quietly into the night. No matter what she does, who she involves, the answer is no. If you found value in this video, then help a brother out by doing 3 things. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell, and share this with at least 3 friends who need to learn from my channel. Confession is good for the soul and this channel. Send me your personal relationship stories to share, or if you see an article online you think I should cover, send the link to stories@magicsmonologue.com. If you have a moment, subscribe to my locals, Rumble, Twitter, X, Getter, and Gab for future politically incorrect content which this platform wouldn't appreciate. Through this, you're leading by example, encouraging other men to rise higher, and ensuring you live a life of passion, purpose, and prosperity. If you're watching this on YouTube and want another informative video, then click here to watch 10 Rules to Date By, Why She'll Never Be Happy. Otherwise, if you can't wait for my next new video, then click on one of these right now and watch another. Know the risks, play the game wisely, and I'll see you in the winner's circle.